Hello YouTubers, today we will demonstrate on how to fit a bike stand to this particular bike. Most bike stands are common and they all fit onto the similar way. There is not much difference between them, so I will demonstrate. We bought our part today from eBay. Just a straightforward cheap one. It came today in the post. So I will demonstrate, and we went for you get them in different colours. We went for a white colour because the bike is a white colour. First we shall remove these bolts here. There's 3 of them. Straightforward, it's simple. Just get an Allen key and open them up. When you do that, that will remove the bottom bracket. You just saw the plastic piece fall off. We need that, so do not lose this. I'll put it there. One bolt removed. Second bolt removed. And the last one. Now that's the stand down. That's the stand down, stand up. So this will be fitting onto this bike, something like down here. We can fit it there as well, wherever you like. I think here looks a bit better. And we'll just try it out. So we'll put this back on. Put this back one. Remember, 2 screws at the top, 1 screw at the bottom. It'll fit like that. Always remember when you're screwing these particular screws in, these bolts, that you should always do it by hand first. You never want to cross thread the threads. Once you cross thread them, it's a bit of a job to sort it out, because you'll have to get a tap and a die, and you might not have that equipment. So just screw them by hand, nice and gently first. Once you know the screw has started to go in slowly, you know it's on the right thread and it's okay. If you just go in straight away with a Allen key or a drill or using a power tool or something, you could ruin the thread. So always do it by hand first, like so. Now it's somewhere getting tight now, so but that's just hand tight. Now I'm just going to check it on the bike to see if it makes the bike stand. We just trialed it now, but it's a bit too leaning to one side, is the bike, if you have a look at the bike. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to extend the arm on the lever and then see what it's like after that. This is an adjustment for extending the lever, this arm. So we'll extend this out a bit more. I think about there would be better. I'll tighten it up there. Let's see what that's like. Now we're just going to tighten these up. So I've got a ratchet set, but you can use an Allen key or anything like that. I prefer using this ratchet set, because it's just much quicker, much easier to do all kinds of little jobs. Right, when it starts to get a bit tight, it's almost fit. So like this bottom one's getting a bit tight, I'll stop there. Let's tighten this top one's up now. That's tight. Got it. So now we've just tightened them 3 bolts up, and I've just put this into a better position. And that's nice and tight. As you can see, the stand works perfectly. So you can buy these stands off eBay. They're just a cheap stand, you know, it does the job, nothing special. They cost about 7 or 8 quid. You can get a little bit better ones, and you can also get stands that fit down here. But I don't know, I just like this one personally. So it was just easier to fit on, and it does the job. So if you just that's the bike now on its stand, and it's a lovely juggler. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe.